Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of DeskDirector's many features in about a minute. Today, we'll delve into DeskDirector Knowledge Base, a treasure trove of information at your fingertips. This feature is designed to empower your team by providing easy access to vital information whenever they need it. Accessing and learning from our knowledge base is a breeze with our intuitive interface. It provides comprehensive guides, FAQs, and how-tos that are readily available for your team. This ensures that everyone has the knowledge they need to perform their roles effectively. The knowledge base serves as a centralized repository of information, reducing repetitive questions and allowing your team to focus on what truly matters. By having this resource, you cut down on time spent searching for answers and improve overall productivity. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. So why wait? Dive into our setup guide to start reaping the benefits that come with streamlined, effective communication. Empower your team with DeskDirector's knowledge base. Start leveraging this tool to enhance your team's capabilities and drive success within your organization today.